Today, we're going to take a look at a very interesting project that uses synthetic assets. These assets can be used in a variety of different ways to earn yield. I'm going to break down the basics on how to do this, so let's take a look at Poison Finance. Welcome to the APY Guy channel. I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, first I'm going to go over the white paper and just kind of go over what the protocol exactly is. And then we're going to go into a basic strategy on how to earn passive income with this protocol. When I first looked at this protocol, I was a little confused on exactly how it worked. So I did some research and I tried a few things out. And I think I know a basic strategy that I can show you that can do very well, actually, making passive income. And it's super interesting being able to use different synthetic assets that we normally wouldn't use on a crypto platform. If we kind of look here, gold, silver, oil, Tesla, Amazon stock, Apple, Google, there's just a bunch of different ones. There's even some world currencies down here, like the euro, the British pound, and Japanese yen. A little different look here. So something that we normally don't see on a crypto platform. So let's go into the white paper here. Take a look at the introduction. What is Poison Finance? Poison Finance is a decentralized multi-chain synthetic assets issuance protocol built on Arbitrum, Binance Smart Chain, which is what we're going to use today, and soon Ethereum mainnet and more. Synthetic potions, which are called P tokens, are collateralized primarily by stablecoins like BUSD, USDT, USDC, DAI, and FRAX, which, when locked in a vault contract, enable the issuance of potions. Synthetic potions mimic the price behavior of real-world assets like stocks, commodities, and ETFs, giving traders anywhere in the world open access to price exposure without the implications of owning or trading real assets. Very cool. The minting of potions is decentralized and is handled by users of the protocol alone. Poison Finance ensures that there is always sufficient collateral within the protocol to cover potion value. The Poison token is minted by the protocol according to its vesting schedule and is distributed as an award to support conduct that secures the ecosystem. Poison Protocol ensures liquid potion markets by rewarding poison to users who stake LPs, obtained through providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges. The exchange we're going to use on BSC today will be Pancakes. Moreover, poison is valuable as it can be staked to receive voting privileges and to earn a share of the protocol's vault withdrawal and liquidation fees by wrapping it into iPoison. Poison is a project developed and steered by its community. Its markets are maintained by its own users through Poison incentives. The protocol evolves with new ideas through democratic governance. Okay, I'm going to go through this mission portion because I think this is pretty important. And then I'm going to show you step by step a very easy way for you to take part in this protocol and earn some passive income. It says our mission is simple: to poison finance in the best way possible. Stable and decentralized digital synthetic assets have immense potential to democratize. I have a hard time saying that word for some reason. Democratize finance and bring fairness to parts of the world that don't have access to quality, low volatility assets. The potential market for collateralized synthetic assets is enormous. it is imperative we continue moving the synthetic assets sector forward. Poison Finance is on a mission to democratize finance for all. We propose that in order to achieve 100% compliance with our objectives, promote a healthy ecosystem, and maximize profits, we need to optimize all 6 main features of the synthetic asset system. They are stability, transparency, decentralization, scalability, security, and adaptability. Adaptability. That word and democratize are my 2 enemies today, I guess. And then they continue to show you down here a few different systems that did not work. FTX is one of them, Mirror Synthetics. Did not work as well as they thought they would, and how Poison is different. The purpose of this video is to get you an easy way into this protocol that you feel comfortable with, and I think I have found that. So right now I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. Okay, I'm going to go through step by step and show you, if I was new to this project, what I would do if I was bullish on a certain asset. Myself, I am definitely bullish on gold long term and silver as well. I'm going to show you how to stake gold and how to make the LP pair. So we're going to go to menu, and we're going to go to Cook. And when we're at Cook, we need a collateral asset. I have USDC, but you can use any of these. DAI, Frax, you can use USDC, use USDT, and Ethereum or wrapped Ethereum. I'm going to use USDC. You cannot use all of your USDC. You can only use half because you need the other half, the LP, to be USDC. So I'm going to go ahead and swap. Let's do 89 USDC. Because that would be approximately half of my USDC, because I have 180. That would be 89 would be, yeah, about half. So that's going to give me 0.0225 P gold. We're going to go ahead and approve that. Okay, and then we're going to hit open. So that's going to, I think it says open, yeah. Hit open, and that's going to transfer that into the P gold. Okay, I have my P gold now. I have 0.022526 P gold, and I have $90.74 in USDC. Now we need to make our LP pair, and to do that, we need to go to Pancake Swap because we're on Binance Smart Chain. If you're on Arbitrum, then you would go to Uniswap, or if you're on Ethereum, you would go to Uniswap. I'm going to show you how I'm doing it on Binance Smart Chain. When I go to an exchange, a decentralized exchange, I always go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to make sure that I go to the correct site. There's a lot of shady sites out there, and you'll link to it, you connect your wallet, and you can lose your money or your coins. I always do this. I just do this as practice to make sure. I do not want to get hacked. So I'm on CoinGecko, and that's pancakeswap.finance. One thing we need to do, I almost forgot, if we go to Poison Finance and we go to the docs, the contract list here, we want to add the token. So we're going to add P gold. So you can either copy this and paste it, or click on it, and it's going to go to a scan. This is Arbascan. You're going to copy the address, and you're going to want to add it to your wallet. If you go to MetaMask and you go down to import tokens, and then you copy and paste, you paste it into the token contract address spot here, it'll come up P gold. Then you'll add the custom token, import it, and then it'll be in your wallet. So when you go to Pancake Swap, it's easier to find. Okay, once we're at Pancake Swap, we can go to trade and we go to liquidity. If we click on liquidity, we're going to go down to add liquidity. Then they're going to give us the 2 token pairs. One's going to be USDC. The other one, if we click on this and we paste in the contract address, it's easier to do. And then hit import for P gold. I understand, and then hit import. Now that we have the 2 assets that we want, they do not have liquidity for version 3 LP. So we're going to go to add version 2 liquidity. We're going to go down here and we're going to hit max for P gold. This will automatically give us the corresponding amount of USDC needed to make the LP pair. So then we're going to hit enable P gold. That's going to enable us to use the P gold in our wallet, and we're going to hit max, and we're going to hit next, and we're going to hit approve. Once that's done, then we're going to add the liquidity itself. So now we're going to hit add, and it's going to show us the liquidity that we're adding. So we're going to confirm our supply. We confirm our supply, and we will get our LP token that we can take back over to Poison Finance and deposit to earn rewards. Okay, now we're back over on Poison Finance, and if we hit menu, we go to brew or stake. Well, it says brew and it has stake in parentheses. Now we're going to go down here to pick our asset. Our asset's going to be P gold / USDC. That's going to be a liquidity pair. We're going to click on that. We're going to click max, and this is the max deposit that we can deposit. We have 1.004 LP tokens of P gold and USDC. And we're going to approve it. And then we're going to approve max. We're going to approve the maximum cake liquidity pair that we have. We're going to hit next. We're going to hit approve. Once it confirms, it's going to let us deposit. There you go. It says it's approved. So now let's deposit. Again, we're going to confirm. And then they're going to deposit it into our account. Pretty cool APR. It's 0.25% APR per day. Now I have a total of 1.12 LP tokens staked. And our rewards will be given in the Poison token. If we want to see how many rewards we've got, we go to brew / stake. We come down here and we go to our LP position, which is P gold USDC. We click on that. It says our pending rewards are 0.573 Poison tokens. And what you can do with that is you can claim your Poison tokens, and then you can stake those. And the way to do that is you go over to grow farm, and you would take those Poison tokens and you would turn them into iPoison tokens. And then what you would do with those iPoison tokens is you would go back to brew stake, and then you would stake them here. Then you stake your iPoison and you earn USDC as your reward, which is pretty cool. Okay, so let's go over the process one more time. So to begin, you would go to cook mint. You would mint whatever asset you wanted to mint off of this list. You would use a stable coin or Ethereum to mint that. Once you mint that, then you're going to go over to Pancake Swap, or if you're on Arbitrum, you would go to Uniswap, and you're going to make your LP. Once you get your LP, go to the brew section, and then you're going to deposit your LP. I used P gold USDC. I deposited that. I have it deposited in here. Now I am earning Poison tokens. I take my Poison rewards, I claim those, and I take them over to where it says grow farm. I deposit those Poison tokens into here. I receive iPoison tokens. I take the iPoison tokens and I go back to the staking portion and I deposit those. Then I earn more Poison tokens with my deposited iPoison tokens as rewards. Yes, at first too, I was confused on how the protocol worked. I did some research and asked some questions, and I was able to come up with this pretty simple strategy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if I'm wrong on anything, please correct me in the comments as well. I do think this could turn out to be a real good passive income machine. And it seems like the dev is always hard at work in improving the protocol. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have any other information that will help so I can understand the protocol even better, please leave that in the comments as well. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.